But we begin with CBS 2's Amy Johnson, who is live in Lake Balboa. And Amy, how are things there right now?
It is windy, very windy. We've been out here for hours and the wind has just not let up. It's very consistent and it's just not hair blowing around. Take a look at this water in the lake. The wind pushing it so hard it's actually coming out of the lake and splashing up on the wall there. Just a lot of wind out here, but people still come to this popular park because, well, it doesn't seem to bother everybody. Lake Balboa Park is a great place to enjoy the sunshine, but the wind, that's a different story. But for Barry Pearson and her husband Paul, even the wind doesn't stop them from visiting their feathered friends.
But I'd like it to stop. It's not good for allergies and hair and things. They're not too fond of the wind either.
No swan song here. The wind has shut down the paddle boats. Check out the rough water. There's even whitecaps. The wind even made walking a little more difficult for Dorothy Akiyama and her friends.
The wind is a challenge. When you're walking and your clothes are flowing around and your hat's flying off.
But not everyone was feeling the same gust.
Pretty windy, but it's warm, it's sunny.
You think it's warm?
We're from San Francisco, so this is kind of a nice day for us.
Glenn Marr and his 10-year-old daughter Natasha thought it was a great day to kick around the soccer ball. The wind couldn't keep them inside during spring break.
Well, it's kind of windy, but it's not cold.
They are, however, realistic.
We also have Frisbees, and it's pretty clear we shouldn't be trying to throw those.
And back here live, you can see these ducks enjoying the water that is actually being pushed out of the lake. Again, the wind just keeps blowing and blowing, no real breaks at all. It's been very consistent, very windy, and yes, the wind is cold. So I'll send it back to you in the studio.